Good morning, learners. Today we will be talking about the elementary canal of a bird, otherwise known as the digestive system of the bird. Okay, the digestive system of bird comprises of the beak, the pharynx, the esophagus, the gizzard, the intestine, the liver, the pancreas, the anus, the rectum, and the what? And the coca. The rectum and the coca. The bird has a very unique feature. These birds don't have teeth. Birds do not have teeth. But once they pick food with their beak, be it grains, be it fruits, it moves through the esophagus, through the pharynx and esophagus to the crop. This is called the crop. This is the crop. Here in the crop, food is stored temporarily. That is why when you see some of the birds, you will see their crop showing out or having a distinct crop. This is where they store their food temporarily. And when this food is stored here temporarily, some bacteria act on it to help it what? Ferment. And after fermentation, it moves to the what? To the proventricles. The proventricles is otherwise known as the what? Granular stomach. It's also known as the what? Granular stomach. Look at the proventricles somewhere here. Otherwise known as the what? Granular stomach. The proventricles is where the grinding of the food now takes place proper. And the proventricles is also known as what? The gizzard. So that is where the grinding of food takes place what? Proper. And then what is inside the gizzard that enables it to grind the food particle? We have the grains or the stone, a small stone that are naturally inside the granular stomach or the gizzard that enables it to what? Masticate the food. Now, when the food has been grinded, the liver, of course, it passes through the pancreas, and the liver also does their own function to the what? To the digested food. The liver secretes bile that is found in the food content, while the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice that enables it for proper digestion. It then moves to the intestine proper. Now, what happens in the intestine of a bird is that absorption of nutrients take place. The one that the body needs, the food particles that have undergone grinding in the granular stomach and are now channeled to the small intestine are absorbed. Nutrients that the body needed are absorbed. And the one that the body did not need move through the what? Move to the what? To the rectum and to the coca for what? Excretion to take place. Now, I want you to know that birds do not urinate. They excrete both urine and feces together. That is why when you see the feces of a bird, you see a small uric acid on top of it. That is their urine. Thank you and God bless you.